Let us continue with the PMI students. In the given statement, prove by using the PMI 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 its square plus 3 into 3 its cube plus so on plus n into 3 its power is n, that is equal to 2n minus 1 into 3 its power is n plus 1 plus 3 upon 4, where n is a natural number. Now again we have to solve it by using PMI. So let us come, students. Here is the step number 1, that is n is equal to 1. So P of 1 means principal value is 1, such that 1 into 3, this is 1 into 3, that is equal to, this is the dot product, students, that is equal to, at the place of n we will put at 1 now, 2 minus 1, its power into 3, its power is 1 plus 1 plus 3 upon 4. So it will come as 3, that is equal to 3 its power is 2, that is 9, 9 plus 3 by 4. 3, that is 12 by 4. 4 3s are 12, 3 is equal to 3. Means left hand side that is equal to right hand side then, students. So here we can say that, therefore we can say that P of n is true for n is equal to 1. This is the step number 1, student. Come with step number 2, that is n is equal to k. P of k such that 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 its square plus 3 into 3 its cube plus up to k. Now at the place of n we will write k now, k into 3 its power is k, that is equal to 2k minus 1, 3 its power is k plus 1 plus 3 upon 4. This is our step number 2 then, students. Let us come with step number 3, that is n is equal to k plus 1. Means P of k plus 1, that is 1 into 3, 2 into 3 its square plus 3 into 3 its power is 3 plus up to k into 3 its power is k plus, now we will change this k, it is now k plus 1 into 3 its power is k plus 1, and this is equal to, now we will make this k as k plus 1. So it will come as 2k plus 2 minus 1, means this is now 2k plus 1, 3. While you will change this k as k plus 1, it will come as k plus 2 upon, here is plus 3 upon 4. Now student, this is the left hand side, that is the right hand side. So we will solve this left hand side by making the use of step number 2, and we will make it as equal to right hand side. So let us come. Now I am going to solve the step number 3 here. So let us see. We will take its left hand side, that is equal to, up to here we will use this second step, that is 2k minus 1 into 3, its power is k plus 1 plus 3 upon 4 plus, now this is k plus 1, it will come as k plus 1 into 3, its power is k plus 1. Now student, we have to solve it, and while we will solve it, it will come as equal to the right hand side. This is the right hand side, students. Now here we have to make the left hand side as equal to right hand side. So let us take its LCM, 2k minus 1 3 its power is k plus 1 plus 3 plus 4k plus 4 into 3 k plus 1. I have taken its LCM here, students. 4 is the LCM, 4 I have multiplied here. Now after that, what we are here, that is 3 its power is k plus 1 is common in both. So we will take this 3 its power is k plus 1 here common. What is inside? This is 2k minus 1 and this is 4k plus 4. So it will come as 2k minus 1 plus 4k plus 4. 3 its power is k plus 1 plus 3 upon 4 then, students. And now we will solve it. 2k plus 4k, that is 6k. 6k plus 3. It's 3, its power is k plus 1 plus 3 upon 4 then, students. Now from here we will take 3 outside and it will come as 2k plus 1. And I have taken 3 outside. 3 into 3, its power is k plus 1 plus 3 upon 4 then, students. And if you will see, 3 its power is 1. Means if we will take the base as 3, power will be added. So it will come as 3k plus 2 plus 3 upon 4. Now I will check the right hand side. The left hand side is equal to right hand side or not? So here it is 2k plus 1, 2k plus 1, 3 its power is k plus 2, same, plus 3 upon 4, means that is equal to right hand side. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, and hence P of k plus 1 is true for n is equal to k plus 1. That is the way to solve this type of the question then, students.